Alright, this is what I'm going to show you for this product review when my dad just gave this to me about this from the Harbor Freight tools. And you can have me sure about what they call this. I think this is the Dimmable LED super bright light switch. It was the super bright light installed anywhere, dims when you need it. It's compared to Premier P or AS for the P-DIM-SWCLM. And maybe you can show you about the light switches. You can stick it anywhere you want for, making sure it's for the indoor lighting. Now it has with all the super bright. It says turn the knob to adjust brightness or turn the light off for the mounting instructions. Now you screw or to remove loop tape, verify that installation surface has no hidden United T lines before drilling or driving screws. Drill 2 holes about 1.5 inch apart virtually on mounting surface. Drive a screw into the hole, leaving a 1/4 inch of thread exposed. Place the lower part of keyhole on bright light over the screws, and you have to follow by for to pull the light down gently to lock the screws into upper part of keyholes. You're going to hook and loop the tape to remove backing on loop tape. You probably should. This is the one we take on the back. And you have to press the light against mounting surface for 30 seconds. You can also try with magnet for placing the light on magnet surface, where you just turn the light on this left. Can you see that? It turns quickly, and you're going to make it, if you want to have brighter, this might be a brighter one. If you can't see it too much brighter, you can give this to change a lower. You can do that right in the middle. Now, once you've done that for, you can turn it off on here on the right. Just twist it. And see, that goes with. You have to make sure to remove this label before use. And found this one, they got only about the Harbor Freight for the quality tools lowest price. I'm going to put this for those LED super bright for light switch, might call for the Dimmable LED super bright light switch. I'll put this online into the description box below and end this video. And if you got to try this, you can stick it anywhere you want for it. It is completely up to you what you get for the super bright for the LED. And that's how you put the LED. Dimmable spells like D-I-M-M-A-B-L-E. And if you're interested for the Dimmable LED super bright light switch, write me in the comments below if you want to say something. This might be from the Harbor Freight tools. You have to make sure to view always before sharing to watch for it. And you give it a big thumbs up for A1. And I hope you guys enjoy for the Dimmable LED super bright light switch from the Harbor Freight tools. And you can stick it wherever you want to place it. You can do it at the nighttime after for midnight. Hope you guys enjoy for the light switch for the LED. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.